Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. On Thursday, May the 5th, 2022, Liberation Day today. Yes, we have only one regular puzzle, Sudoku Medium, but we have also an additional with extra puzzles with Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with a 1 star, killer Sudoku aka Sudoku mix, and 2 binaries. Total of 9 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, 5 of them I will solve, and with this one, total of 6. First, the medium Sudoku number 4505. 4505. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this Sudoku has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. In additional, this will be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So, let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about a 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the middle column. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in this row. So no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this column, the middle column. Those missing numbers, one of them is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there in the middle column. We see here 6 in the last row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. How about yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in that box. I hear 1 in the second column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. We have a pair, 3 and a 1 in the last row, 3 and a 1 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Wait. 2 missing numbers now. In this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And then yeah, in the last column we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, we see here an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or there. We see there an 8 also, so no 8 in that box. Here an 8, no 8 in this box. So 1 box left for the 8 in the last column should be here. Wait. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this column. So no 1 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Wait. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then how about yeah. The 1 in the first column, a third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright. Okay. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers now in the last column. One of the missing number in the last column is the number 7. Well, we see here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 here. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in this box. Only place left for the 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, no, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Oh, no, not a good move. No. Okay. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Then 2. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the first column, so no 2 in this box. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 in that box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2. Okay. Now 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 4. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 2 missing numbers in the second column. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 in this row, first row. 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 box left in this row, the middle row for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore, that box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore, that box should be an 8, and this box should be 9, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, faster than 50 minutes. I think this one has a 2 stars instead of a 1 star. Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. And before I leave, I hope you enjoyed this puzzle. Otherwise, thumbs down. If you like this, thumbs up. Before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and will share you the data. We have here the 2, the 9, and the 6. The 2, 9, and 6. 1, 7, 3. 1, 7, 3. 5, 6, 3, and a 2. 6, 3, and a 2. We have here the 6 as a pair, the 3 as a pair, and the 2 as a pair. 3 pairs. Alright, thank you, and see you later with the other puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.